Okay, so this one is a continuation of our discussion. Ay, wala ako. Ano? Linaw. So, ano ba yung... Bakit ayaw magana lang? Okay. So, heuristic work backwards. So, example, Lini has some pieces chocolate. She gave one third of the chocolates and three more of her brother Jim. And she gave one fifth of her remaining chocolates and four more to her younger sister Amy. In the end, she has 16 chocolates left. How many chocolates did Lenny has at the beginning? So this one, solution, we need to understand. So what is us? So what is us? That is how many chocolates did Lenny at the beginning. So ano ba yung given? The given is, let's see, this is a green. She gave one third of chocolates and three more to her brother Jim. Then gave one fifth of the remaining chocolate and more to her younger sister Amy. So and then lastly she left 16. So with this, so paano tano kay 16 ang ginakaptan niya? So ma-work kita backward. Umpisa kay 16. No? S2 that is work backwards. Okay. So, ang umpisa, ginakaptan niya is 16. Tapos, um, i-plus mo na, depende kay aming nga gintauya. Tapos, plus mo kay Jim. And that is the answer. Okay. So, for S3, let's make that one. So, start it 16 plus, ilan ba kay Ami? So, Ami is, she gave 1/5. Tama? 1/5 of a remaining chocolates. And, eto. And 4 more to her, yeah. 4 more. So, we can just add here 4. So, it means that is 20. So, since 1/5 ini, we can say nga, okay. So, this one is, so that is 4/5. This one is 4/5 sang chocolate ni Ani. So, it means, so, yung 1/5 mo is equal to 5. Okay? So, that is your, next is 20 plus 5. So, you will have 25. So, that is the number of remaining chocolates mo sang wala mo pa natawan si Ami. Nakuha? Remaining. Sang wala pa si Ami natawan. So, 25 ang nakaptan mo. So, kay sino? Kay Jim. 1/3 and 3. So, let's add that 1 by 3. So, that is 28. It means 1/3 yon. Ito is 2/3. So, kung 2/3 siya, what is a 1/3? So, 1/3 is, so kung 2/3 ni 28, syempre that is 14. So, we will have 28, 14 siya, 1/3. So, the whole thing, 14 plus 28 is 32. So, this is the number, sorry, not 32, 42. Ito yung hinahanap natin. 42 ang number sang chocolate. No? The number of, ano bang hinanap? Kisses chocolate. Yun. Lenny has in the beginning. So that is so easy, di ba? Okay. So S4, you can check that one. So halin ka naman from the start. 42, gintawan mo siya sang 1/3 which is 14 plus 3, that is, ang nabilinsi mo, 25. Then, ang this 25, gintunga mo sa 5, gitao mo ang 1/5, 5 plus 4, so it means siyam ang kay Ami. Okay, and so, eto yon 14 ang kay kay Jim, and then 3. So, kumbaga 17 sa kay Jim. Okay, so, this will be your exercise number 5, number 6, and then, um, just, post nyo. Numbers, example 2. Cathy walked from Isatyu to St. Clement's Church. It took her 19 minutes to walk from Isatyu to corner Hichanueva, Magdalo Street, and the rest for 15 minutes to buy um, bottled water in a nearby store and walk another 12 minutes until St. Clement's Church. So she reached St. Clement's Church at 5:24. So at what time did she left at Isatyu? So this one, step 1, we need to find what is us. Ano ba yung tinatanong? So yung tinatanong dito is, eto, na? She reached at 5:24. So at what time she left from Isatyu? Anong nag-start? Then given, the given is, okay. So from the start, he walked from St. Clement's, took 19 minutes. From Isatyu to corner, Hitchanova, Magdalo Street. Tapos nag-rest siya 15 minutes to buy bottled water in nearby store. So walk another 12 minutes until kay St. Clement's. So, solution number 2, we will work backwards. Backwards again. So, ang plano, we need to 5:24 p.m. Tapos, i-minus mo na ang next nga 12 minutes. That is from store to St. Clements. Tapos, after na, may siya, 15 minutes nga pauwi sa store. Minus 19 from store to, from Hitchanova to Isatyu. And that is a total. Ang starting niya from Isat. So, let's do that one. Step 3. So, first, 5:24 p.m. So, we can just deduct the 12 minutes. 12 minutes, that is 5:12. 5:12 p.m. Si 5:12 p.m. The next is from this one. From store to Ichanova Corner. That is 15 minutes. So that is 4 something minus that 3:57 p.m. Then lastly, minus 19. So, minus na. 4:57. 57 minus 19, that is 38. So, 4:38 p.m. Siya naghalin sa Isatyu. So, you can, balik ka naman, look back ka. So, step 4, i-plus mo, dapat ma-end up ka by 5:24 p.m. So, I'll just leave it to you that one. So, 4:38 siya nag-start. This is the solution. So, the next, this will be your exercises. 5, 6, 8 months. This one is 7. Number 8. Then elimination and logical thinking. This will be the last thing. So David, Mike, and Sam could be a dancer, a mechanic, or a singer, but none of us a job that start with the same letter as his name. So David recently has his car repaired by a mechanic. So was which job? So solution. Step one. What is asked? This one. Given. Ito. Ito yung mga given. From this one, si David nagpaobra sa mechanic and take note same letter as his name, ang wala dapat same name. So, Dave, Mike, Sam could be a dancer, mechanic, or a singer. So, with this, we can use an elimination method by step 2, elimination or logical thinking. Step 3. Um, so, let's say David, Mike, Sam. So, dancer, singer. So, since si David nagpakayad siya, it means he is not a mechanic. And at the same time, same letter. So, same letter as his name is dancer. So, he is not a dancer. Therefore, he is a singer. So, Mike is not also a mechanic. Okay? And Mike has the same letter of M. So, he is not a mechanic. Since si Mike is not, is already, David is already a singer, Mike is not a singer. Therefore, Mike is a dancer. So, lastly, Sam is not a dancer at the same time not a singer. So the same Sam is a mechanic. So this is the elimination method. So this is the solution. David is a singer, Mike is a dancer, and Sam is a mechanic. And then this will be your 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the exercises, and then that's the end of our chapter 3. See you on face to face.